Hi everyone, I'm Shaidi. Welcome to my channel English Pro Shaidi. This is the second part of the lesson greeting and farewell. Let's begin.
Morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night.
Correct means. Incorrect means. Part 1. Greeting.
Hi or good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, dear.
Hello, or good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Miss Anderson.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson.
Hey or good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Mandy. Good evening, Liz.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Good evening, Alice.
Oh, good evening, Angie.
Now answer, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys.
Part 2. Farewell.
Goodbye, or good night. Good night. Good night, Mrs. Cooper.
Good night, Mrs. Smith.
Bye-bye. Or see you again. See you again. See you again, guys.
Hope so, Mia.
Bye, or take care. Take care. Take care, love.
You too, my love.
Goodbye. Or have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day, Mr. Peterson.
You too, dear.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Good night.
Good night, dear.
Now answer, please.
Have a good day.
You too, dear.
Now answer, please.
Take care, love.
You too, Mom.
Now answer, please.
See you again, guys.
Hope so, dear.
Test 1. Which one is correct?
Good evening.
Which one is incorrect?
Have a good day.
Which one is incorrect?
Good afternoon.
Which one is correct?
You too.
Which one is correct?
See you again.
Which one is incorrect?
Good evening.
2.
Take care, dear.
Now answer, please.
You too.
Hope so.
Now answer, please.
See you again, dear.
Good evening, dear.
Now answer, please.
Good evening.
Have a good day, dear.
Now answer, please.
You too. Good afternoon.
Now answer, please.
Good afternoon, love.
Thank you for subscribing and sharing your opinion in the comments below.